What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some plane spotting, and as you can see, let's hope I don't drop my phone down there. And as you can see, it's Aero Wings coming in, and you can see the plane. Can't below what that one is because I can't really see it, because I think you have a better view. That's Sun Express. See that? Lusna. Let me be precise. I think that is the. It's definitely not like any of these. But the Bojangles, I think it's a B something like. I don't know. There's smoke over there. Just wanted you to know that. There's no plane landing. I need to show you the other side. Oops. Here's the other side. This is in Germany, so come here for yourself. This big Germany viewing. This is the rare planes, probably. I think these are rare planes. Like, they're very rare. These are Russian planes, like the ones. And there's the Boeings. Here's the Boeing 747. It's marking. It's like showing an arrow. And here's a Neo one. Neo. I think that is Neo. I don't know. Swift down there. This Prime. We got Prime. We got Prime. Is that the blue plane? Oh, I actually have no idea what that one is next to it. Okay, guys, just going. See, I was like, look, this is what it's supposed to be, Aero Logic. I think that's the one where I said there's Aero like travel, something like that. I don't remember what I just said. I might go live again someday. Look, after the Boeing 777 I was talking about. This is on a picture, so it's not real. Aero Logic again. How many Aero Logics are there? I don't know. DHL. These are ice in there, and I haven't seen any ice in there for a long time. So that's why I think you can see that Prime Air in the distance. It's marking up right now. See that Prime Air? It's in the box, little box. The box, and if you can't see anything, guys, because my camera's a bit down there. I have like hardly any internet up here. Because we're very near the sun. I was just joking. Wait, let's see if I can use this for free. Don't tell anybody. I don't think you can see anything, but let's see if I can. Yeah, I can't see anything. Well, let's try that. Okay. And yeah, if you want to see more videos, play button, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and peace out.